Hi, it's me, Nana Girl. I'm doing my first sort of tutorial on putting on my new sheer cover makeup. I don't know, I used to stay up really late at night. Well, sometimes I do. For a while, I was working late at work, and I wouldn't be able to go to sleep until maybe 4, 5 in the morning. And I went through this habit for a few weeks. And one night, or morning, I was up watching infomercials, and I saw Brooke Burke, and all of a sudden I was like, wow, she really is really pretty. I never really thought that before. Or at least when I saw her years ago when I was with my first boyfriend. I was like 17, 18, back in 2001, 2002. Anyway, Brooke Burke is the spokesmodel. I think, I don't know, like, I guess it's her makeup line. It's just for women who were looking to hide or cover up their skin discoloration or blemishes and whatnot, whatever it is that they have. She actually has really bad skin underneath all that makeup. And I commended her on her Facebook page for sheer cover, just to let her know that by watching her infomercial and everything, I found that she's a great, not to hide your beauty. It's not really like you're not really changing what you look like. It's just clean. I mean, kind of. It's not really changing your face. It's just like your features or anything. It's just smoothing out and clearing out your skin temporarily with makeup. And I felt that she helped me become more comfortable with my skin and embracing, which I never really, I don't know, like this mark I have on my face from like a broken blood vessel or something. And I have a little bit up here too, but not so much as this. And I was like, well, you know what? I'll give it a roll. It's only I'll go whatever. It's only $29.95 per month, and you get a 3 month package basically, and that was like the special deal when I saw the infomercial. So I ordered it, and it came with this thing, which is the concealer and brighten trio. It looks like this. I never really used the white one. I don't really know what it's for. I'm not really, I mean, I looked through the instructions quickly. I don't really like to follow directions like that. So I just do what I want and I go with the flow. And this brush came with it. It's a little dirty. I used it a bit. Use it for the concealer. And then we have, that's next. Perfect Shade Mineral Foundation. Oh yeah, I ordered the light one because I think I have light skin. I look like a ghost right now. I'm not really sure, but I'm definitely not tan. And this one is a mineral foundation. It's a powder, and you're supposed to tap it in here and then brush it. I don't know. I started using this brush and I didn't like it, so I switched to this one, which is thicker, and I reversed it with the bronzer versus the mineral foundation because it covers it better. I don't know. I just tried it yesterday or 2 days ago. Yeah, 2 days ago, and I liked it. I like the look of it better. And I'll show you. I got dust on my powder on my new MacBook Pro keyboard. And then it comes with the Skin Kiss Bronzing Minerals. And it looks like this. I really don't know how to use this crap. This makeup, I just do whatever and wish for the best. Kind of following directions, but not to a T. And then I got a free gift, which was, excuse me, lash extending fibers. It looks like little tiny feathers, kind of, sort of. You see that? Yeah. And it kind of extends your lashes. I think it gives it more texture, more volume and texture. And then it came with this lengthening mascara black, but I read online that for women with green eyes, you're supposed to use brown mascara, but I'll use it just for a little touch, just to give them a more visibility, my eyelashes more visibility. And it looks okay. I mean, it's not 100%, but I think I look better. My sister said that girls like me don't really need it. This kind of makeup, more foundation and concealer and stuff, because my face isn't bad. But look, if you're gonna be all nitpicky, I could use it. So first things first, I'm gonna use this brush, the concealer brush, and the concealer. Gonna go like this and like this. I don't know, I'm making a mess. I'm just wiping on my face where like that red spot broken blood vessel was. They really say to do it underneath your eyes and stuff, but I don't mind my eyes. I think they're fine. And try to smooth it in, blend it in, cover that area. So that mark's almost not visible. Do a little bit on this side too. The funny thing about it is I don't do this every day, so my face looks different when I use it versus when I don't use it. I don't know. I like my face. I think I'm beautiful. And I don't mean to be conceited. I really am. I'm just being honest. And then a little bit there, so I got a little bit of red spots. Gently. Brooke said you could use your finger or the brush, or I do a little both. I think she does a little both too. Just to like gently smooth it out, cover up that mark the best I can. See, it looks a little better. I'm gonna go over it a little bit more. Smooth it out. Gently, because you don't want to hurt your face. See? There's a huge difference. And then what I do is I now take the big brush. I'm going to keep the mirror out in case I need it. The big brush, and you tap a bit of that powder in here. Or a lot like I did. Let's see. And you coat the brush, tap it out, blow. You said circles, starting with the forehead. I just do whatever, try to cover my face. I don't want to get under there, so I do this. Close my eyes, and then my eyelashes get all white, powdery. It's kind of funny. Do it again, get any more. My nose. Just funny. So I look like Casper the Ghost. I've been going really fast. See, how does this look for real? I know the lighting's different between my camera versus real life. See, it's not as bad as it was. Makeup. Alright. Dumping that out. Oh, some tissues. And last, before we do the eye makeup, or lastly, I'm going to use the medium-sized brush to do the bronzer. What do I do? Give me some color. Kind of like a brush. A blush, I mean. Okay. I don't look as much as a ghost. My nose. She starts at the forehead, but who really cares? Go like this, side to side. Not bad. I'll be right back. I have to do something. And I'm back. And then I'm gonna put the lash extending fibers on my eyelashes. I do a little bit liberally on the top coat, especially. You can really see it. Of course, you can't keep off those when I do it. I know when Brooke did it in her infomercial, it took her much faster to do it. I don't know, it takes me a while to do my makeup when I do it. It's one of the reasons why I don't do it that often, because I don't have time. Or I don't make the time. And lastly, we're going to put on the mascara. Try to wipe off the excess. And gently, lightly, just coat them. I don't go crazy with this because I want it to look natural. Extreme close up. Again, wiping off the excess. Nice doing this in front of the camera. It was awkward. And it's not really for volumizing or anything. Oh, a little volumizing. It's not really supposed to be very showy. It's supposed to be more natural. I think so. To make sure I look decent. Well, I got some on my face. No. Let's go over with this with a tissue later. After this, just to show you. I wish you could see how long my eyelashes are. So that's basically it. See how my face isn't as bad as it was before. It's not really too hot. Like, it's not really to make you look much different. It's just to accentuate what you have and make you look a little bit better. Natural.